In today's wrap-up, Yerevan Mayor Hayk Marutyan announced the launching of a tender to buy 100 buses for the Armenian capital. A shooting at a medical center in the town of Gavar has prompted a full investigation, and 65 more cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed. Yerevan Mayor Hayk Marutyan released a post on Facebook stating that the Yerevan municipality has launched a tender to buy 100 buses for the capital. It was also announced that the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development will provide the Yerevan municipality with a loan of around $27 million to be used for Armenia's bus networks. Marutyan wrote that a competition will be open until June 12th, where different tender packages of 100 buses can be presented to transport authorities in Yerevan. Moreover, Yerevan's mayor described what sort of buses are being sought after. According to him, the buses will be a length of 12 meters, accessible to disabled people, will run on natural gas engines and will have low platforms. This is part of a concerted effort by the Yerevan municipality to overhaul the public transport system, with part of the program including the renewal of the capital city's bus fleet and phasing out of minibuses, colloquially known as marshutkas. An incident took place in a medical center in Gavar, a town by Lake Sevan. On April 28th, two patients were attacked by a group of people who broke into the hospital. As a result of a previous shooting at the local university, 2 died and 2 others were taken to the medical center with serious injuries. As part of what seems to be a revenge attack, the governor of the region of Gerar said that 500 people broke into the medical center from different entrances, damaged the interior of the building, smashed windows, and shots were fired. Reports indicate that the relatives of the dead from the university shooting were attempting to attack the 2 patients in the hospital. Armenian police issued a statement stating that no one was killed at the medical center, but reports have emerged that the attackers were carrying metal rods and slit the throats of 2 injured patients. The Armenian police have initiated a full investigation and arrests have been made. Moreover, Police Chief Arman Sargsyan has arrived in Gavar to lead the investigation. Armenia's health ministry has confirmed 65 more cases of COVID-19, bringing the total number of cases to 1,932. 34 more recoveries were reported and no new deaths. Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan also held talks via phone with Iranian President Hassan Rouhani. The 2 leaders spoke about the economic relations and trade between Armenia and Iran. Although the border between the 2 countries has been closed and flights halted, the border is open to truckers carrying cargo. Pashinyan and Rouhani also spoke about increasing the volume of trade crossing the border and what can be done to reach pre-pandemic levels of trade. Armen Krikorian, Secretary of Armenia's National Security Council, had an in-depth interview with Սիվիլնեթ's Arshaluis Mkhdesyan. Mkhdesyan pushed Krikorian on the lack of progress with regards to overhauling the police in Armenia since the 2018 revolution. Krikorian, however, elaborated on police reforms that the government has embarked on, and according to Secretary Krikorian, reforms to the police in Armenia will make it possible to reduce the level of violence in society and that the effects of reforms will start to materialize in 2021.